Hey guys, this is Jake from Jake Film Tutorials. And this is my first episode, and I'm gonna review the A-HD Aiptek Camcorder. Now, my favorite thing about this is the quality. It's HD quality. The only bad thing is I can't use this camera to make videos to put on YouTube, because it has a certain video files go under a certain file name. It's like MP4, and that won't work with like Sony Vegas, and Sony Vegas is my software, so unfortunately the sound won't work for it, so I can't use it, so I have to use the camera that's filming right now. But it has very good quality. I don't know if you can see here. No, probably not. It's a little blurry. Okay, well, I'm just saying it has good quality. You can find that out for yourself if you see another test video on YouTube or you buy one. But it's pretty good. Its zoom isn't really the best. I'm not sure how far that goes in, but not very good. Its battery is pretty good. It is a pretty long-lasting battery, so it's good in that way. It can take pictures and also record voice. Okay, so for this review, I'm gonna give the A-HD Aiptek Camcorder probably a 6 out of 10. I would probably give it higher if its volume could work. But actually, I will show you a test film, but it's not going to have sound, but you can see the good quality. Okay, so here it is.